Hey Jim and them listeners, it's me, Mike Steele. I've been getting a lot of messages from you guys, a lot of questions. I thought, what better place to answer all your questions than here in a video for all of you to listen to and kind of get your answers straight to you. So let me pull these up. Go ahead and ask you right now. We got our first question. It says, hey Jim and them crew, was it intentional that you guys are all really good looking but also super funny? Thanks, love the show. No, that was something we planned on from the very beginning. I knew that Jake was really funny and great looking. Jeff's got that really solid core and he's a funny guy. You haven't seen Jim naked, but if you had, you'd know why he's in great shape, but he's also the funniest guy I know. So that was completely intentional. Thank you for noticing. Anyone who hasn't noticed, I would appreciate if you stopped listening to the show. You don't have to. I'd never know you did, but it would be it's kind of messed up that you didn't notice. So for all of those listeners that did notice, that's for you right there. Let's see the next one. Hey, me and my friends all call Jake Niagara Fall Pants because he always is getting his dick wet. Isn't that funny? Yeah, that's really funny. Next question. This one is for Jeff. Have you ever went so ham on a track that you heard a pig squealing? Get it? Because ham is a pig reference. That's not funny. But yes, Jeff did once go so ham on a track that he heard a pig squealing. But your joke wasn't good. Hey guys, I noticed that you ask for fan donations a lot. What do they go towards? Oh, that's a good question. Recently, if you watched the Halloween special, we had a boom mic. We had a new camera. We have a lot of really great equipment. We buy a lot of props and stuff, and pretty much that's what it goes towards. Just us, making all the specials and all the skits much better.
Hey, Mike, did you want to get the fried bald eagle with the California Condor eggs, or did you want the shark fin soup with the side of escargot?
Why can't we just get both? No, but seriously, get both. Just charge it to the Jim and them PayPal.
Okay.
All right, thanks, man.
Yeah.
Next question. Hey, Mike's mom. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. Hey, Mike, my mom's boyfriend recently died. She's always really depressed. Is there something I can do to cheer her up so it isn't so depressing when my friends come over to my house and hang out? How about you just go over to your friend's house so your widow mom isn't bumming everybody out all the time? Am I right? Am I right? Anyways, guys, thanks for all the emails. Keep sending them to at Jim and Them Questions on Twitter or at Jim and Them Questions.email/gmail.
Why did you do that?
What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the special effects afterwards, and it's going to look like I'm holding the thing I said.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to be able to edit that. It's going to look really good.
That's awesome.
I'll just edit this out.
Okay.
All right. Anyways, guys, thanks for all the emails, and keep sending them. All right, I think that went pretty well.
No, yeah.
I think it looked good.
Great, yeah.
I'm going to queue up that video I wanted to show you.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Let me get this. I can see this.
Okay, here it is. It's really good. Color me surprised, but is it weird that, oh wow, that was really graphic. Is it weird at all that, I'm kind of just looking at the guy's dick?
I mean, it's weird that you say that because I think I'm looking a lot at the guy's dick.
It's like the girl might is, just cover it with your hand.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's better actually. That's way better.
Yeah, that's...
Oh
I wouldn't
shit.
think that
Oh shit, this is still on.